वेलकम टू एसएमपी। आज के बिग पिक्चर डिबेट का टॉपिक है टेक्निकल एजुकेशन एंड रीजनल लैंग्वेज। ये जो टॉपिक है आप यूज कर सकते हैं जीएस पेपर 1 एज वेल एज इन जीएस पेपर 2 इन दी सब टॉपिक्स। दीज वर द पैनलिस्ट ऑफ आवर डिस्कशन, सो लेट अस सी कि कंटेक्स्ट क्या है। रिसेंटली सेंटर ने डिसीजन लिया है कि दे आर गोइंग टू गिव थ्रस्ट टू मदर टंग और यू कैन सी रीजनल लैंग्वेज इन टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, स्पेशली इंजीनियरिंग कोर्सेज में फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट एकेडमिक ईयर। ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है it'll be first initially implemented in few IITs and NITs which has been shortlisted. This decision to teach in the regional language ये लिया गया था by a high level meeting chaired by Union Minister of Education. Also earlier the new education policy 2020 had been adopted which recommended the preservation and promotion of Indian languages in the higher education institutions. So this decision to teach in regional language it is in line with this new education policy 20 National Education Policy 2020, which promotes regional language as a mode of delivering education. Let us see the reasons behind this decision. फर्स्ट इज इट एनहांसेस द फॉर्मेटिव लर्निंग। ये ऑब्जर्व किया गया है कि जो ह्यूमन माइंड है ये इट इज मोर रिसेप्टिव टू द कम्युनिकेशंस इन द लैंग्वेज जो वो बचपन से कहता आया है। सो व्हेन एक्सप्लेन्ड इन रीजनल लैंग्वेज, स्पेशली अगर मदर टंग में बोला जाए या पढ़ाया जाए, तो द ग्रैबिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट्स और एक्सप्रेशंस ऑफ द आइडियाज बाय द स्टूडेंट वो फेयरली इजी हो जाएगा। बच्चों को अच्छे से समझ आएगा अगर उनको उनके मदर टंग में पढ़ाया जाएगा तो। Next reason is it is being practiced by many countries. Across the globe, classroom teaching is pursued in various regional languages. चाहे वो फ्रांस हो, जर्मनी हो, रशिया हो or the countries like China. They are using over 300 languages and dialects which is being used for teaching all over the country, all over the world. Next reason is it is going to create inclusion. It will help in social inclusiveness, improve करेगा literacy rate को, reduce करेगा poverty को, and साथ ही साथ it is going to enhance the international cooperation. Languages can become as a catalyst for inclusive development. Also, removal of existing linguistic barriers will help in realizing the goal of inclusive governance. Next reason is dominance of English. इंग्लिश का काफी ज्यादा डोमिनेंस हो रहा है since English has become the preferable language of scientific communities in the international context. So this discussion on the dominance of English, that is on the English medium instruction, is not new discussion in India. And ये जो move है, the current move is a part of it. So now let us see कि what are the government initiatives. Government ने क्या initiatives लिए हैं to promote or safeguard our regional language. There has been many constitutional and legal frameworks which is being adopted for safeguarding regional languages, as we can see in Article 29, 120, Article 120, Article 343 to 351, and various other articles, जहाँ पे it is mentioned to promote regional languages. Also, Right to Education Act 2019 ने ये कहा है कि the medium of instruction shall, as far as practicable, बच्चे की मदर टंग में होनी चाहिए। वन मोर इनिशिएटिव जो अभी रिसेंटली अनाउंस हुई है दैट इज बाय द न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 जो प्रमोट करता है एजुकेशन रीजनल लैंग्वेज को। सो दिस इज आल्सो अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव टेकन बाय अ गवर्नमेंट टू एंश्योर द प्रिजर्वेशन and promotion of Indian languages. NEP has recommended to set up various bodies such as National Institute of Pali, Prakrit, and Persian. Also, Indian Institute of Translation and Interpretation. So देखा जाए तो they are also promoting our regional languages. Also, Government of India is running a scheme known as Protection and Preservation of Endangered Language जो conserve करेगा threatened languages of India को. So these are few initiatives which has been taken by government to promote our regional language. And let us see what can be the major challenges against this decision. ये जो decision है, it requires teachers proficient in undertaking classes in vernacular medium, also with along with English. So textbooks and reference material in the regional language beside technological assistance such as audio translation aid is also required, which is going to be a major problem right now. स्टूडेंट्स जो who can understand concepts in local language, इनको problem होगी. They will face hindrances जब वो बाहर जाएंगे, when they are going to work in industries and abroad. So they will face problems because over there the language might be different, or common language, that is English. Next challenge can be the translation of English textbooks and other reference materials into regional languages, as well as creation of new classrooms for the regional language students at such a short notice. क्योंकि next academic year में ही ये decision को adopt करने की बात की गई है. ये so these can be the issues which is worrying most of the premier technical institutes right now. Many teachers they are working in different states, and इसलिए they cannot speak their respective local languages. So this they will have face problem in teaching students in that respective local language. Also, student can also face the challenges while selecting the institutes. अगर कोई एक स्टेट का स्टूडेंट है, उसको किसी दूसरे स्टेट में जिसकी लोकल लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट है, वहां जाके पढ़ने का मन करेगा, तो दे विल फेस प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज वहाँ की लोकल लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट होगी. So these are few challenges which against this decision, and it must be addressed too. So let us see कि क्या वे फॉरवर्ड हो सकता है. Recent studies हुए हैं बहुत सारे कंट्रीज में, जैसे कि हांगकांग में, साउथ अफ्रीका में, एंड several other countries, जिसमें पाया गया है कि education in regional language it has proved beneficial when they are teaching in English. So many countries have successfully they have substituted English with their mother tongue, and they have been able to produce world-class scientists, researchers, technicians and thinkers. So in India also government को encourage करना होगा the original scientific writing, publication of books in regional languages to help this transition. Also, एक regional language hub setup करने होंगे at technical institutes, which can bring together students requiring language aids. So, depending upon the composition of the students from various vernacular background, or those facing the challenge in the English communication, or even the availability of the teachers with the regional language proficiencies, ये सारे criteria हो सकते हैं to structure the hubs, these regional language hubs. The problem which is being faced by other state students or teachers, इनको भी address करना होगा properly. So it is a right time for such a much awaited step. But in starting, we need to observe that how much this move will shape the education in the selected institutes. So at the end, I would conclude by quoting a saying by Mahatma Gandhi that by teaching our student in a language which is totally foreign to them, that is English, we are making our kids foreigners in their own country. So it is high time कि हम circulate करें अपने regional language को instead of foreign language. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment on it, also subscribe to the channel. You can also join our Telegram channel, which is at the rate SOMP Guidance, for further updates. Thank you.